Hello everyone! Today, in this video we are going to prepare chicken and vegetable noodles in an amazing way, so let's get started. Here we are using different companies' noodles. 2 of them are Korean-style noodles and the rest are of Knorr noodles. And we are taking potatoes, carrots, chopped onions, chicken, chopped tomatoes, capsicum, and in sauces, we are using chili sauce, soya sauce, and vinegar. Now boil some water and add carrots into it for them to get boil. Here take some oil and add chopped onions into it. Fry them properly. Our onions have been properly fried. Now add garlic paste into them. Then mix it properly and fry. Now add those chicken pieces into it and fry. Here, we have unpacked the noodles and took them out along with the sauces and masala in them. Our chicken has been cooked properly here. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Now I am adding chopped tomatoes into it. Mix well and fry. Here our potatoes have also been boiled. Now add tikka masala for better flavor. Add red chili powder. Mix it well now. Here are all the masalas of noodles. Add all those masalas into it. Add those boiled potatoes too. Add capsicum. Also add the boiled carrots. Here add some vinegar too. All the basic mixture is cooked properly, so now add water for the noodles. After adding water, now I am adding all those noodles into it. In this water, noodles will get boiled properly and our dish will get ready. Dip them into the water. Now close the lid and leave it for 5 minutes. After opening the lid, you will see that noodles are properly cooked and our dish is almost ready and some steps are left to completion. Here I am adding the sauces which were present in Korean-style noodles packet. Also add soya sauce and chili sauce. And here our noodles are ready and now it's time to dish them out. And here we go. Yummy, right? So if you have liked the recipe, then hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more such amazing recipes. And if you want more such recipes, then let me know in the comment section. Try this recipe cause I am sure that you will be amazed by the results. So try it and let me know that how it went in the comment section. Thanks for watching at Noor Kitchenette.